Welcome to 2-Minute Analysis. Our goal is to not only entertain, but provide value and insights about the investments you care about. Today's episode is from this user's request on our last video. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and dive in. Today, we're diving into SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. Kicking things off with the quant system rating, it is currently a hold rating on the stock. And we're going to dive into those 5 factor grades here in just a moment. Jumping over to the Seeking Alpha analysts, they currently have a hold rating on the stock in aggregate, and that's across 15 analysts in the last 30 days. Lastly, looking at Wall Street analysts, they currently have a buy rating on the stock, and that's 9 analysts in the last 90 days providing coverage here on SoundHound AI. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha quant system and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive a little bit deeper. This is a $7.8 billion market capitalization company in the information technology sector. Their products revolve around voice AI. Competitors include the likes of Google, Amazon, and Apple, also pursuing AI ventures. Now let's look at some of the metrics here. Now the valuation grade is currently an F, and that's due because the EV sales is currently 57.6 compared to the sector at 3.67. Jumping into the growth grade, which is pretty extraordinary, that forward revenue growth is 67.1% compared to the sector median at only 7.55%. Looking at profitability, it could be improved a bit. The net income margin is at negative 171.2% compared to the sector, which is 4.59%. And let's jump into the momentum, which currently has that A grade, a 1-year price performance of 289.82%. compared to the sector at 10.4%. Obviously, a company benefiting off of the AI theme. And lastly, looking at revisions here, it currently has an F grade. And we're going to jump over to this revisions grade card here that showcases that there has been 4 EPS down revisions in the last 90 days and 0 up revisions in the last 90 days. So is now the time to add this stock to your portfolio? Well, if we look at the Seeking Alpha analysts, there are mixed ratings across the board here, from the buys to the holds to the sell from Gary Alexander. Highly encourage you to dive deeper into that analysis and give it a read to determine if this stock is meant for you. And that's going to wrap it up for this episode. So if you have a ticker you want us to cover, add it to the comment section below, and don't forget to follow Seeking Alpha so you get notified when the next 2-minute analysis gets published.
We are not advising you personally concerning the nature, potential, value, or suitability of any particular security. You alone are solely responsible for determining whether any investment, security, or strategy, or any product or service is appropriate or suitable for you based on your investment objectives and personal and financial situation. This presentation is for informational purposes only. Content is presented as of the date published or indicated and may be superseded by future events. It represents my opinions, which may not reflect the views of Seeking Alpha as a whole. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, or U.S. investment advisor or investment bank.